How to replace ink cartridges in your Canon Pixma TS7720 printer. So first we will switch on the printer. On the side you will see there is an option to lift it from here. You will see the ink cartridges will move and come into the middle. Press this lock and it will open itself. Now take the ink cartridges out. Take your new ink cartridges, remove the protective seal, place black on the black side. It will just settle itself. Press it down to lock it. Same with the color. And it uses ink cartridge number 286 color and 285 black. Lock both of them. Now close this chamber. Lift it up and let it go down and go to the printer display panel. Once you see the main screen, that is, we have installed it properly. To check the ink level, click on the information button, I button, and select estimated ink level, and we can see how much ink is left in the ink cartridges. If you click on the ink model number, it will give you the ink models that are compatible, so you can use the extra large or normal ink. Thanks for watching.